And when it's time to have a very nice meal, there is a place that you wouldn't know unless we tell you. This place is located only 5 minutes away from the hotel and just right in the middle of the Artichoke Hills. The name is the Almazara, a former olive oil factory. It is now an elegant restaurant. Those are pig's feet. Welcome to Spain. If you want to enjoy a nice meal and you want to go to a restaurant with a unique location, that place for you to go is called Parador. It sits just right by the beach of Mar Menor. And here we are in front of Palacete de la Seda. This restaurant, if I don't ever tell you about it, you wouldn't find it. This house was built in 1695, then it turned into a silk factory, and about 20 years ago it turned into a very nice restaurant.